art time! Hello everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be making some tropical fish. So let's get started. I'm going to do a basic body, just like an oval here. And I'm going to start giving this guy some fins on the top. Same thing on the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing with a very pointy tail. Give him an eye, little mouth. And then I'm just going to give him some lines in the center so that he has a little bit of texture. Okay, moving along, another fish. This one we are going to start with a big diamond. Once we have our diamond, we are going to make a space for the head, give him an eye, and I'm going to make some fins, but following my line, going backwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing at the bottom. And then this guy is gonna have a little bit of a longer tail with a lot of squiggles on the back. He is gonna have also an inside fin, and he's gonna have these scallops for texture. Okay, our next fish is gonna be a little bit different. We're gonna start with a flat line at the bottom, and then this line, I'm gonna make it go up a little in. This is gonna be the mouth. And then we're gonna draw a very tall fish going backwards. And here on the back, I'm gonna make a curve going in, and I'm gonna make it a little tail. I'm gonna give this guy a really big eye, an inside fin, and then I'm gonna give him some lines on his body too. Okay, now we're gonna make a little bit of a bigger fish. We're gonna start with a longer body, and we're gonna give this guy some fins going from the top all the way to the back. Same thing at the bottom. I'm gonna make two areas for this fish to have fins. And then his tail is gonna be super long, almost like a ponytail. I'm gonna give this guy a big eye, an inside fin, also long, and I'm just gonna divide his body into two areas. Now let's make a very simple one. To finish it off, we're gonna make a puffy body. From here, we're gonna make kind of like a mermaid tail going in like so. Some fins going backwards. Another fin going in. And a big eye for him. And this guy, I'm gonna give a space for his face and some lines coming down his body. There you have it, guys. You can use this fish for a project and color them in different colors. I'm gonna leave a project here where you're gonna be using warm and cool colors to color them with oil pastels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Ciao!